Hey, listen, so here I am standing around looking like an idiot, using just one thumb on my iPhone, and I just sold a $2,000 coaching program because I have an online business and I have multiple polls generating leads every day into my business, and I can use a simple system on my iPhone to make money anywhere. So listen, I know you want to have an online business. It's the only way to survive and thrive in a day where you can't go anywhere. So here's the thing. I have gyms that got shut down, but we're making money because of our online business. Here's what you need to do. Step number one is find people's pain, okay? Know your marketplace. If you don't know the marketplace, I have a lot of youngsters wanting to start a t-shirt company. They don't know anything about the industry. They don't know why anyone would buy a t-shirt from them. They have ordered 1,000 t-shirts and now they can't sell them because they didn't know the prospect's pain, okay? Number two, create a solution that solves the problem of the pain, okay? You can only do that if you know the marketplace. You can come a little closer. So if you don't know the market's pain, you can't come up with the right solution. The other thing you need to do, step number three, is to make sure that you can sell the product before you create it, okay? Sell the product before you create it. Don't go and create a 6-month course only to find out that you can't sell it. That is one of the biggest mistakes that most people make. They create the product, they put 40, 80 hours into creating a video course, writing a book that nobody wants. Huge mistake. So what I did is knew the marketplace, and then I did my 30 benefit bullets exercise, which then allowed me to create 30 headlines all before I created my product. And that's how I ended up selling hundreds of thousands of copies of my Home Workout Revolution program. Okay, so those 3 steps alone will help you build an online business, allow you to make money anywhere, anytime, even during something like this. But also in the good times, I've made money in 44 different countries, and so can you. All right, drop me a comment down below and let me know the biggest obstacle for you building your online business.